Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we love to dive into the world of books and share with you the most valuable insights and lessons. Today, we're discussing the book Give and Take by Adam Grant, and we have 10 main takeaways to share with you. This book has revolutionized the way we think about success, relationships, and teamwork. It's a must-read for anyone who wants to achieve more and create a positive impact in the world. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started on these 10 main takeaways from Give and Take. The success of givers. In his research, Grant found that individuals who consistently prioritize helping others, referred to as givers, tend to be more successful in their careers and personal lives compared to takers and matchers. This is because givers build strong relationships and networks based on trust and mutual support, which they can leverage later on. Additionally, people are more likely to help givers in return, leading to greater success over time. The behavior of takers, on the other hand. Takers prioritize their own success and often look out for their own interests at the expense of others. Takers are less likely to build strong relationships, as people are less likely to trust them, and they may also find themselves with fewer allies in the long run. Takers may miss out on opportunities to form meaningful connections with others, which can have negative consequences for both their personal and professional lives. The approach of matchers. Matchers try to balance giving and taking, and they believe in reciprocity. They give when they receive. While matchers may be more successful than takers in the short term, they can sometimes limit their own success by not giving enough or not taking advantage of opportunities to help others. Matchers may also miss out on opportunities to build strong relationships if they do not give enough, or if they are not strategic about when and how to give. The benefits of being a giver. Research shows that people who prioritize helping others tend to be happier and more satisfied with their lives. Additionally, givers are more likely to be successful in the long run because they build strong relationships and networks that they can leverage later on. People are more likely to help givers in return, which can lead to greater success over time. The drawbacks of being a taker. Takers may find themselves with fewer long-term allies and can be viewed as untrustworthy, which can hurt their career prospects. People are less likely to help takers, and takers may also miss out on opportunities to form meaningful connections with others. Additionally, takers may be less satisfied with their lives, as they are less likely to experience the positive feelings that come from helping others. The importance of strategic giving. Successful givers adopt a strategic giving approach, balancing their generosity with their own goals and needs. This involves considering the impact of their actions on both themselves and others, and being strategic about when and how to help. Strategic givers are able to maximize the positive impact of their giving, while also avoiding overgiving and burnout. Boundary setting for givers. Givers need to be aware of their own boundaries and not be afraid to say no when they need to prioritize their own well-being. Overgiving can lead to burnout and negatively impact both personal and professional relationships. Setting boundaries helps givers to maintain healthy relationships and avoid overgiving. When to step back. Successful givers are able to recognize when their help is not needed or appreciated, and they know when to step back. This helps to maintain healthy relationships and avoid overgiving. Additionally, stepping back when help is not needed allows givers to prioritize their own well-being and focus on their own goals and needs. The impact of a giving culture. By fostering a culture of giving in their teams and organizations, givers can create positive change and boost morale. When people feel that they are part of a supportive and helpful community, they are more likely to be engaged, motivated, and productive. A giving culture can also encourage employees to be more generous and supportive of one another. leading to stronger relationships and better collaboration. The importance of a giving mindset. Adopting a giving mindset can have a positive impact on individuals and organizations, leading to greater success and satisfaction. By prioritizing the well-being of others and being open to helping and supporting those around them, givers can build strong relationships and create positive change in their personal and professional lives. A giving mindset helps to foster a sense of community and connection, and can lead to greater happiness and success over time. Overall, Give and Take highlights the importance of giving and generosity in both personal and professional contexts. By adopting a giving mindset and being strategic in their giving, individuals can maximize the positive impact of their actions, build strong relationships, and be more successful and satisfied in their lives.